Stop. If you're thinking about buying OpusLeads AI, there's something you need to know first. OpusLeads AI is claims to build the entire email marketing funnel. From choosing a niche, creating a lead magnet, building an opt-in page, connecting your autoresponder, providing products to sell, and even writing the follow-up emails. So in this review, I'll show you exactly what OpusLeads AI claims to do, who it's best suited for, the pros, the cons, etc. If you decided to get OpusLeads AI, make sure you grab it through the link in my description. I'm including over 300 worth of exclusive bonuses. Let's get started. What is OpusLeads AI? OpusLeads AI is an AI-powered email marketing system built around Claude Opus technology. Instead of giving you one small piece of the puzzle, it aims to generate a complete lead generation funnel in one dashboard. The goal is simple: generate leads, build an email list, and give you digital products and email sequences that help monetize that list. Benefits. Why people are interested. Instead of using multiple tools for page building, copywriting, lead magnets, and email marketing, OpusLeads AI combines these tasks into one workflow. For freelancers or agencies, it could help speed up the process of creating lead generation funnels for clients. And for affiliate marketers, it may provide a faster way to launch campaigns. Inside OpusLeads AI, you'll find AI Lead Magnet Generator, Smart Opt-in, Page Builder, Autoresponder Integration, 5 ready-to-sell digital products, done for you, Email Sequence, Traffic Resources, Email Marketing Training, and Commercial License. Everything is designed to work together instead of requiring separate software. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: complete funnel creation in one dashboard, beginner-friendly workflow, ready-made digital products included, email sequence generated automatically, commercial license included, and one-time launch pricing. Cons: you still need traffic to generate leads. AI-generated content should be reviewed and customized before publishing. And your results will depend on your niche, execution, and consistency. Results. What to expect. If you're expecting instant passive income with zero effort, this probably isn't the right mindset. However, if you're looking for a faster way to build email funnels and reduce setup time, OpusLeads AI could help you launch campaigns more efficiently. When you purchase through my link today, you'll receive these exclusive bonuses free. Bonus 1, 100 Leads a Day Traffic Playbook. Value, 97. Discover free and paid traffic strategies designed to help you drive visitors to your funnels. Bonus 2, the $5 PDF Empire Guide. Value, 67. Learn how to turn simple digital PDFs into recurring monthly income opportunities. Up to 4 bonuses, total bonuses value, over 300 in bonuses, completely free when you buy through my link. So, is OpusLeads AI worth it? OpusLeads AI appears to be aimed at beginners, affiliate marketers, freelancers, and anyone who wants to simplify the process of building an email marketing funnel. The biggest advantage is that it combines multiple steps into one platform instead of requiring several different tools. If that's what you're looking for, then yes, it's definitely worth trying. If you decide to pick up OpusLeads AI, don't forget to use the first link in the description so you can claim all of my exclusive bonuses before they're gone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.